Okay, we have discussed how to delete by pressing the X or just press the right button of the mouse and choose to delete. Okay, so then we are going to add some objects to our scene. Okay, so the most easiest way to add things is just click the add button at the I think the front menu, and if you didn't see that, there must be some little arrow here. To just click that, it will show up. Okay, so let me just add anything. For example, the cube. Okay, boom, the cube appeared. And if you want to know why the cube appeared at the center of the scene, as we have already discussed, one of the most important cursor here, the object that you add will automatically appear at the place where the cursor is. Okay, so if I move the cursor a bit, say move to here, and let's add a new, say, let's add a UV sphere. A UV sphere is more like a golf ball. Okay, now and you can change the surface on that sphere, but we will discuss that in detail in later videos. And boom, it appeared as the place where the cursor is. Okay, so if you want to move that back to the original place, you are going to choose the cursor, you press N, and you just put in the exact location of the cursor, and then the cursor will back. If you drag the cursor, it will be very difficult for you to find the right place, because you drag in the 2D space, and the scene is 3D, so it becomes very difficult for you to locate where the cursor is. So don't forget to change that to select box, and you can select the object, which is called sphere object, and of course you can change the surface of that, and you can change say the location of that, and the scale of that. Okay, so we'll discuss that later, and let me help you to practice the adding and delete shortcut. You press X, okay, and choose delete, and it's gone. The sphere is gone. Okay, if you want to delete that, you just click the cube and press X and press delete, and it's gone. Okay, another way of add something is to press the shift and press the A at the same time, and there is the menu pop up, tells you that you can add mesh, curve, surface, mattable, something like that. Then you just choose anything. Okay, if you choose the cylinder, okay, just press the cylinder, and there it is. Okay, and of course the cylinder will appear at the place where the cursor is. So as I said, the cursor is a very important thing. So once you know that it will appear at the place where the cursor is, so you will be very careful about where you put your cursor. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all about adding and deleting subjects.